Today I'm going to show you how to get a Dior bag for less than $250. Yes, you heard me right. A Dior bag for less than $250. And no, this is not a clickbait. This is nothing to trick you. I'm talking real thing. You are gonna know right now how to get a Dior bag for less than $250. And yes, you don't have to do any type of crafting like sometimes, you know, we get these Chanel gift sets for this bag, and then you have to go to Amazon, get the chain, get a puncher to get a hole right here, and become crafty. No, forget about that. We're not doing that today. That's it. It's just as simple as getting a Rouge Dior miniature. And what is a Dior miniature? Well, it's this lipstick and clutch gift set. Comes already ready. It's a real Christian Dior clutch bag. It is the perfect sturdy mini bag, an ideal clutch for this holiday season. Not only that, but obviously you get some lipsticks. So basically on this compartment, you're gonna get a full-size lipstick, a gorgeous red shade in a velvet formula, ideal for the holidays, in addition to 3 lipstick refills. These are not sample size, they are full-size refills in 3 gorgeous shades. The clutch also comes with a nice size mirror, and then you're wondering how I'm gonna use it as a clutch if all the space is full of lipsticks. Don't you worry, you can take this whole thing out. You have an empty space right here where you can put your driver license, a couple cards, even your car keys. Close it. For sure, you have to take a lipstick if you are going to a party, and then you are ready to dress up that little black dress. Dress it up, dress it down. You can even wear it with a pair of jeans, but it's all ready to go, and it's just perfect because it comes, like I said, all ready to go. You don't need to buy any chains. It comes already with the chain, all the details included. So this is not only ideal for yourself, but if you're thinking about this holiday season, this will make of an incredible gift. And if you get it from Dior's website, they offer free gift wrapping plus free shipping. I mean, are you kidding me? And this video is not sponsored by Dior, but I do have a promo code with Dior, Jacqueline22. I will be leaving the link, the code, absolutely everything will be in the description box below, so you can also get some free gifts. Thank me later. And if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos right here. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. Bye-bye.